Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into POLEMOS, or $PLMS, and explaining how to buy it on platforms like MEXC Global, UNISWAP, and Forge, all while understanding its relationship with the Ethereum blockchain. This guide will provide you with clear steps to acquiring $PLMS. We'll cover options on centralized and decentralized exchanges. So let's get started. First, let's understand what POLEMOS is. It's important to have a brief overview of its function and utility, as well as an understanding of the $PLMS tokenomics. Consider looking into key metrics like total supply. Its relevance to the Ethereum blockchain is a critical factor, so we'll touch on that and briefly mention potential benefits that could make investing in $PLMS worthwhile. Before you can purchase $PLMS, you'll need an Ethereum wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Choosing the right wallet for you depends on factors like security, ease of use, and compatibility with the platforms we'll be using. Let's use MetaMask as an example. You'll need to download and install the browser extension, then create a new wallet. The most crucial step is securing your seed phrase, so be sure to store it safely and follow the recommendations for secure storage. You'll also need to add ETH to your wallet, which is necessary for transaction fees. You can buy ETH on a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance, and then transfer it to your newly created wallet. Now, let's explore purchasing $PLMS on MEXC Global. MEXC Global offers $PLMS, making it a viable option. First, you'll need to create an account on MEXC Global, going through their registration process and completing KYC verification if required. Then, deposit ETH to your MEXC Global account by finding your ETH deposit address on MEXC and transferring ETH from your wallet to MEXC. Next, trade ETH for $PLMS on MEXC by navigating to the $PLMS/ETH trading pair and placing a buy order, choosing between a limit or market order. Finally, withdraw $PLMS to your Ethereum wallet by finding your $PLMS withdrawal address in your wallet and initiating the withdrawal on MEXC. Another option is buying $PLMS on UNISWAP, a decentralized exchange. A DX eliminates the need for a middleman. Connect your Ethereum wallet to UNISWAP by visiting the UNISWAP interface and selecting your wallet provider, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Then, swap ETH for $PLMS on UNISWAP by selecting the ETH to $PLMS trading pair and importing the $PLMS token contract address. This is an important step for verifying authenticity. Set your slippage tolerance, understanding the risks involved, and confirm the transaction in your wallet, remembering that this will require paying gas fees. ETs discuss Forge and its relation to $PLMS and Ethereum. Forge is connected to the POLEMOS ecosystem, so understand that relationship. It integrates with the Ethereum blockchain, enabling interaction with $PLMS. Important considerations for using Forge include security and gas fees, which can fluctuate based on network congestion. It is paramount to prioritize security when dealing with cryptocurrency. Always protect your Ethereum wallet by never sharing your seed phrase, using strong passwords, and enabling two-factor authentication or 2FA wherever possible. Be vigilant and aware of phishing scams that aim to steal your information. Always verify token contract addresses before engaging in any transactions, and understand the inherent risks associated with DeFi or decentralized finance. Finally, be sure to always do your own research, or DYOR, before investing in any cryptocurrency. In conclusion, we've covered different methods for buying $PLMS, including using MEXC Global and UNISWAP, and also touched on Forge. Remember to emphasize responsible investing and manage risk effectively. Now, you can start your journey with $PLMS, but always proceed with caution. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.